first video, and today I will be introducing myself. So my name is Marba and my channel's name is Everything is Awesome. So today I'll be opening this clay set. So this is a piece of clay. So it has 4 molds and a roller and 12 colors of molded clay. Oh, the clay squish. See that? The clay's wholly squished up. So now we have the other side, and the other side has a grape rubbery mold and a apple rubbery mold, and the same thing. Let's open it up. Let's open our plastic. Oh my goodness. It's also it's 2 of them. Cool. So first we will open our molds. So here we have our apple mold. See, it's flexible. It said in the video it's flexible. See that? It's the apple. It's written a apple, but I don't know if you can see it. Let's open the other one. Ouch! It's so hard. Open them. Yeah! Throw that apart. So here we have another grape mold. It also says grape, and I don't know if you can see that. So it's a green grape. So let's open our doors. Ouch! My nails hurt. Okay, let's open it from here. It's a easy time. Oh my goodness. There's lots of clay. So, wow, oh my goodness, there is plastic under this. So we have white, and we have pink, red. Oh my goodness, there's another red. How could that be? We have 2 reds in here. Oh my goodness, they're maroon, not red. But it's pink. It's pink, yeah, it's pink. There are 2 pinks. We have orange, yellow and green, and another green, dark green and light green. Go. We have light blue, dark blue, and we have purple and black. Oh my goodness. Okay. Now we'll take out the plastic. And now we're going to open our second one. You can see it has same colors. It has a roller and lemon, duck, and boat, and pineapple shapes. So let's open it up. Ow! It really hurts if you have these. So hard. So hard. It takes some time to dry. Oh my goodness. Oh no. White. We have white, pink, and all the other same colors. Go take them out and put them right here on the floor. Let's set them up. There we go. Now we can open our mold. So it is super duper hard to open these. If you have these, it's high quality. So here we have the wrapper, you can see. Let's throw it down. Heard that sound? So now we will play. Now we're going to play. So we'll take our yellow one and just mix it to make it soft. There we go. Mix, mix, mix. Now we're going to make a yellow apple. There we go. There we go. Oh, see the back? It's leaking out. Go. Nothing matters. Don't take it out. Take it out. Oh no, oh no. My apple turned out like that. Let's put that away. See, the flexible molds are good, but they make everything dirty, and my clay is stuck in there now. Mix that with the apple. The yellow clay apple. So now we're going to make green grapes because I love green grapes. We're going to make green grapes. I don't know if making the grapes is a good idea, but we will see, we will see. Go, don't get in the leaking path. Let the leak come out. There we go. Oh no, 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 no! These flexible molds are a little bit tricky. They tricked me. See how my grapes turned out? See that? We'll put that aside. So now we'll break them apart, make something else. First, we're going to break all of them. Break this one, this one. So here we are, all of our clays are mushed and smushed, and all the sections are done. So first we'll take our pink one and make a little stripe. Oh my goodness, we don't have a knife. Now roll it, roll it, roll it, and put it over here. Roll it again, like this. It's sticking. It don't have to stick. You know what I'm making. Then you take your green and roll it into a stick. Roll, 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 roll. Take out the other parts and roll again. That's my rolling time. Then we put our green one inside our pink one and make a swirl. Do you know what I made? I made a rose. See that? A pink rose. We'll make some grass for that. For grass, you just need to smush all your green clay extra and roll it. Just roll. And you have to do one thing with the stem to do it. Ow, no. You need to fold your stem. Get on it. Oh no. My flowers doesn't stay. So we'll put that aside here. Pretty crazy, huh? Now we will make black. We'll make the black hole. For that, you need your roller to roll out. And a circle shape. I'll make that. You know how I'll make my circle shape. I'm just making a roll ball and roll the ball out. Roll it out. Roll, 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 roll. And then here, take it out. Then here. Here, then here. We need to make a very flat back hole. Here, then here. You think I'm making a black pizza? No. Now I'll take my blue, light blue. You need light blue for this one, and make a smaller circle and roll it out on the black. Make a smaller circle. And there we go. Here is our black hole. This is the hole and begin, and this is the true black hole. So now we're going to break our black hole or leave it and make our pizza. So for that, you need a plate. I have a plate. And you'll need yellow crust. over here. Roll it out in a ball. There we go. Roll it out. Sometimes your pizza doesn't have to be like that. But not the messy one. Let's make it out again. Oh no. My clay's not getting off. Guys, what do I do? Oh, the glad is off. I think we should make it there on the table. Maybe circle. Maybe circle. Yummy pizza. You can add extra cheese if you want it. You want clay pizza? I love cheese pizzas. So, I want a lot of cheese. So, I don't know how it tastes like, but I forgot I haven't had cheese pizza for long. Again, no. Let's turn it out. Clear out the shape. Then, oh, I forgot to make it like the real crust. Like up. Make a real crust. Like pizzas are up. This. Like I'm making a pie. Okay, let's make a pie. Look at lots of. So I was thinking about a pizza, but let's just make a pie because I love pie sweets. Let's make a cherry pie because we have red. It will be like a pizza. Red, white pears. No, real pears are right inside. It will be like a real pizza, but a sweet pizza because it's going to be a pie. Okay, let's just smush some berries on it. Smush all of our berries. Like it's going to be like a real pizza, but a sweet pizza because it isn't a pizza. Roll it out, nice and thick, and make our circle for our smushed berries, like berry juice or something. So now we'll add our pear, white pear, so it looks like a smoothie pie. Let's make a smoothie pie, like make smoothies with different flavors. We're gonna make a smoothie pie because it has different flavors. So we will make it. We need to add our pepperoni and we'll add our spices. Roll out our spices. Go quickly. The oven is, burning. Okay, spices are done. Like these are also cherries cut, and these are kiwis. These are kiwis cut down. But it's a pie, but a pizza pie and a smoothie, like three smoothie, pie, pizza. Our pizza is ready. Let's put it on the plate and let it cook. So we'll find our stove in here. So now we have found our stove. So put our pizza on and on it up. We don't have the oven in. Let's cook it. Done. And put it aside. Oh no, you guys, it's gonna break. Let's put these back there. So this is the end of our video. I hope to see you guys again, and hope you subscribe and like. Bye guys!